MPP for Munsorio, NPP system minority Munsorio, na OSP the Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia Eko, me say asema ba. This campaign between Kennedy Agyapong and Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, me say a beye de. Abusia, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, me dinka be kachire mo say, oye den, otwini mu ne beten ye pe. Yoko OSP, omo de ne betum. Na asem no se me kan, aya na bebre na fi se meboa. But munim se me ye information manager baako pe, political prophet baako pe, and also na meka asem no na me wono kore a edi adanse na me ma mo nsenkyere ne de muhu a edi adanse se OSP ebe ma Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia Addo. As I am speaking, officially OSP has charges for public officials for using fake document from Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia's office to claim imported rice from Thailand in 2022. Na we enye fela no nko o. Na munim se NAPO ene Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia a party ways. Me say asemasi ene me the fellas ni nyina ebrew. So we are honorable Kennedy Agyapong fan and supporter. Kawakuma eto yam. Me say me metena ha enitro da biara da. Next meeting decision o mu take ye the way near Messi kosa mu bedi adanse a me Frank Adane said ye ususu senka beba be kasa no me nyeye bebre kura fi say Mr. Frank me hwe wo vim na e wo form dabi this time round no eye action no eye action no hia esene even ensema mekanti minya ye action no wie na mababo nten aba ba kirikiri me say we are Kennedy Agyapong fan and supporter odada na Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia otwini mu ne beten ye pe yoko ni OSP omo de ne betum anasema mekan NPP mpanimfo na ani yemisa se eba ne san na NAPO ayi ne ho afiri Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia na onni Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia chi me de files ni nyina bebrew se mo beka ya madinkan aka kire mo se yoko atoto Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia no on just one case na enokra no abo doctor say team na there are many cases here ye ba beto to Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia no and ye say anoma no ne ntakra enema anoma no ye kese enti nkrofo a no omugu Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia office a omo ye adwuma kro no omo abo ena enei OSP aso wo mu se kwitwe na so omo di Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia chipu abo sa kro no twitwiri die wi ama OSP aso wo mu a die na beto Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia na ankasa me se me Frank Adane me metna ha eni tronchire obi biara da na abrane abre nyina so no se me kasa na makase obi biara me Frank Adane ana Mr. Abrefa Jan Christian aka wa asem na ufi se yedi tro no fire court yenso nsremra na me fa akwanya we so na me nwo ne owura bi Mr. Abrefa Jan be ye news ena obo even just one letter na the way abrantie ne bra no eje ne ho mena no na enro abrantie interview bi also obesan so akọ grant interview I am telling you your information with me and Mr. Brefajano so we bema try and you see what will happen momo pretend say mo do Kennedy Agyapong mo di Kennedy Agyapong din na abaji din wo kurom ha aya say ye do Kennedy Agyapong na musuma se bone ahyemoma abrane abre nyina me meka nkire mo se ye na ye di Kennedy Agyapong aji ye na ye ti media so ye defend Kennedy Agyapong no dodo na de wonafu nenam na abro ni baye ne kwan a omo yusu Kennedy Agyapong din e de agigi sika firi amanfo ho omo yusu Kennedy Agyapong din e de adi bone na akire omo akwakwagi sika baabi na enne na omo anso asanso atwa omo ho e didi Kennedy Agyapong atem because of what time na wo sa brand ya wo no bra no don't dare try me say don't dare try se mo se mo ye mema wo de momra bonten na mo meje fe na wa na humo me say asema e besi wo Ghana ha agese bia mempa hu ana mempa tie just It's a warning. Wo aya say omo amudi Kennedy Agyapong achi a ese omo di omo sika sponsor Kennedy Agyapong omo boa dodo na aboa di omo bedie agenda na omo de nam bibi wo ho omo ye businessman or yesa de be ya obenya business opportunity and bebre na na ya sponsor Kennedy Agyapong na ye wie ye nya hwe o die na wo pe Ghana for die na mo pe die na Kennedy Agyapong nya mamo mesemo what the opa muntwa so na say oye mistake na obetena media na obo sa asami so a nobody can stop me eti wo office obe stop me no sa brand here no ne nua no mo stop no before even Mr. Brefagin amomudin but mo bone ne mo kwa kutiri amawie nti no mo agi ama mo ho e na mo ayere na mo wie so na mapopa ma no mako Kennedy Agyapong ho aya say mo do Kennedy Agyapong aya say mo sponsor Kennedy Agyapong na wo wutimi nya bukoduro bisa Mr. Brefagin say ni sika sign or sponsor Kennedy Agyapong na one information woni nebo Phyllis ya yedi aba kurom ha wo ye ka say ye sika wo beti atuaka could be an investigative journalist no we are more than investigative journalists who announce the just explosive back but woni sika o charge wo sika say stop that right there abusia nya no ntina be bae but just me man warning na sa brantia na udin zet dikan no woni wo bra no say wo see we mema now you hold the boss one come out and you see abusia the Téar say me say we are Kennedy Agyapong fan and supporter don't panic that's why me say the action and the information on the ground me monitoring the medi mani ahu Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia bedam me say obedam me say obedam to forget about anything any decision that they are doing whether top to down or down to down approach me say munyai obedam. Secondly, NPP mpanimfo na nkasa Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia na nkrofo no omo aye research who say Kennedy Agyapong be wini whether they do top to down approach or down to top approach or middle to one approach Kennedy Agyapong will win this election. Said year 2024 year kwatwa na omo aye research ehunu say NPP be lose na akomia be kan even in February 2024 na omo say NPP be lose but they were trying an error and an amfa. It's how the result ended in 2024 is the same way it is going to be ended in the primaries. Kennedy Agyapong is going to win overwhelmingly. So that's why issue way by when me and Kasabe na say Frank wait there. I say why you come too much. I say what kind of soft too much. W yeah action. I believe in action. It is a 70 now a very difficult one. I have to call some people, press some buttons. Said we will knock them down, we will crack them down. After cracking them down, seeing their weakness points, then I come out to talk. Now I can boldly and confidently tell you, say, even Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, for him to contest, a very difficult. Yes, because only. But nkrofo be ti se chama wuntumi omo no na omo pia no na yemisa said as I am speaking NAPO wa party ways with Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia because NAPO nim said yoko atoto Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia no eye den yoko de ne betum ena two per their research omo hu se Kennedy Agyapong no matter what you do Kennedy Agyapong will win omo say Ghana for ankasa pe Kennedy Agyapong NPP for ankasa pe Kennedy Agyapong grassroots no so pe Kennedy Agyapong it no matter what they will do Kennedy Agyapong will win this election it omo de katashi fam ahwe but enkusiaga me say the bottom line is Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia bedem read my lips so when you mean here nsenkyerene a meka ye no ba kwa ba OSP na so Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ne ma party no and this issue of port duties because me Frank Adane I had experience in that Emma abrantie bi mpo di matem abrantie bi ana owo wi for Ken me wo no friend say watoka oba be yin wo Ghana na before then no o check duty ni bibia na oba be do report no na asanso shoot 2x2 etina onti ase eti ema custom for no kra na omuyi ka no ka say oh da bi ka we die yes na yi no so there is an error eti omo advice guy ne said onko office of the vice president na omo betimi ayi bibia fa so at duty ne so ena abrantie frame me de document ni ade nyina share nsem na me se no kra nyankopo animie ene se ya direct ne de ane onko ho ma sema me koka yenie na abrantie so me atemu odi ma taba ma bibi ya yebe adaya oye MPP ni wasom MPP ena ne ka problem aba yeso onko office of the vice president na wa ba be kan kire me na me mamfa na anko na be say na me minimum office of the vice president menye MPP general secretary ena menye MPP chairman eti asema wo kan na wudi mi atami behwe obe report me kura to Kennedy Agyapong say ye kurare ye Téar ye na ye say party no na party ma wa kire wo no me ni akira say na duty mi nim hore ya dada to say office of the vice president ya ko hwai o ko de besi bia no na ba be bo mama ne na wo nkwa a me de me ne hwe ameye ena abrante no besi nne minim se sa abre otie me ehun sem ne da ho no ngunsan so ntua duty nka ho ena ya ba be chimo no mesi cases ya eda ho a ye de be so Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia page no that sister MPs na mo se mo support Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia no mo be di mo dokono kwa na mo that decision da mo take no sabi mo dwene ho na mo bra na mo ye 137 mo ko support Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia say ni kusi ye eba 38.2 na ende 60 awrade yawe na woni basam sire sama wo for God want you to know how God has prepared Kennedy Agyapong. Bra sister MPs Asia Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia no na 268 former DC MMDC is also Asia on a work Kennedy Agyapong. This is very heartbreaking and shocking. Etimu amo say sister MPs Asia Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia no at the same time not the miracle God Kennedy Agyapong God, the God of Kennedy Agyapong. Also ama 268 MMDCs Asia former MMDCs and not all. Now mention these statistics. We have 275 constituencies. Out of these 275, if 60 have declared for you, is it not a failure? Ghana for is it not a failure? We are Kennedy Agyapong fan, is it not a failure? What about the remaining 215 MPs, both current and former? And most of the MPs now they lost as a result of Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. And Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia when he and Téar those MPs. So do you think that those former MP, lost MPs would support Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia? It is a 275 MPs. Not Dr. when you sister. More you don't have the political eye to make certain analysis. But I can boldly and confidently tell you, say, we are Kennedy Agyapong fan and supporter. Don't let anything shake you. Don't let anything shake you. Now the research here, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia and Nkrofo everything favors Kennedy Agyapong. Kennedy Agyapong winning hands down. And into the baby, I may advise him say, Mone efiefu nkasa, mone grassroots nkasa, ye nyina yamfa ya ho nhyemu bi. Na delegate abato no polling station no, ye nyina yamfa ya ho nhyemu bi na yenkwankoto bi. Na ye nyina mu for Ghana's sake. And indeed, for the decision na omo take no, ama bibia adadi pefe say asisie we pa de adabraka. For what reason? Say Honorable Agyarko this next decision is nonsense. Ghana for say abrani na me catch them say dear mimi hunu dear metie enu bi na wote anka pipi mpanfo nka wabo mu dua kumomo. What we say ene omu take just one decision. mpanimfo a omumpo yenim se asem si omo na omokasa kire ye omo na omutuyefo ene omo na omudi atem in public on radio station in the media. Etime Frank Adane de me ni Mr. Brefejan esen ka mo kire ye support because information aya yehunu no eno po anu e den esene de neck ye and the neck ye me ni Mr. Brefejan ya ba be kan mo ya we eti se ye betena na me kasa na mani atem na ebia me kasa wo akukuduro ni ahoden so a enye se ebia mimua de ana mimumo but yaw na ewomu no enu bi na Ato Onabo Agyarko abronye ayi obiribu ahe a ene omo ankasa edi party mpanufo na tem for the decision that they have taken and describe said they just want to collapse the party because they took the decision for their personal interest. Eti Ghana ni MPP ni awudi mi atem no ene wahuno. Eti mesre me dia mensada mensayam. Ghana ni bia wutie me. Kena Japan fan and supporter bia wutie me say whenever anything happens, take it say Mr. Frank Adane, Mr. Brefejan Christian, we are there and we will fight. And this time round is action oriented. And this ya finish it bia me say oda da na doctor bedam MPP for no they know napo ni opa obi a wonim napo bia no bisa napo say Mr. Frank Adane say yoko atoto na Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia no na yoko e the doctor betum na enokra na say enokre. That is why napo aye divided mind onhu babi obekwa because onim said say or sense the Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia chi and political career ended because nya de say what obenya chance because yoko de betum say yoko amfana ntum kra na obeluzu absolutely. Eti as I'm speaking na kan napo pese Obakye Agyapong ho but because of inshisheye mafia ne abro ne adwemoni bia omo yeti Akene Agyapong no nitiri abunifo ontimi ma say in a no time NAPO will join Boakye Agyapong. There's a fellow who rather Christ of Nazareth. NAPO will join Boakye Agyapong to campaign. Now, Yemisa who said this is a very simple analogy. Brian, the financier of Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Adukum was a campaigner for Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. And then Brian Akenahon, Kwaku contested Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Adukum Atenahon, Kwaku contested Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. What is the message? If, for instance, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia is competent enough, nka adana these two stunned people, ebeti omo a free doctor ho, say almost so Kwaku contested. Or is it a political game? One may say that, say, okay, then let's use that strategy to weaken Kennedy Agyapong. But the fact is, these two stunned people are from the camp of Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. So their fans and supporters definitely will come from Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia roots. So what they are saying? Because it will be very difficult for the fans of Kennedy Agyapong, say, Omobaba support Boakye Agyapong or the former education minister, Honorable Aduchum. Now, say a beam probable second Japan fans and supporters probably support to Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia and any of them are a few, but the most supporters may come from Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia and they will follow Aduchum or Boakye Agyapong. So that is the simple analogy. But I am telling each and everyone here, per the information that I have, nobody should panic. And obi biara ni ho. And say NAPO say Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ntimi ampa miracles aboaje. Chama wontimi adumaku ba afini nkrofo bi okeka ho de lalai. Because the beef between NAPO and wontimi no eda so ginam den enkoye. And a choir miracles of Wajina Dumakuba Fuso no, or Mokasa and how they disrespected Napuno, and also Napubu Funiko Apai. They say Napodia, or as a Saman Chanchay, or no one to be good doctor. Can a Japan so you need your payma, the Oyeditia can a Japonti, a new Untiminko, and a Boakye Agyapong so no, well, we need some mobile. But some of the Ukraine, as you say, Obesan so and running meeting, and also a yasam for. So na put the say, why yes, a man train, and not otchere, and also Yoku, Amani di Akwaniaba. Missy Kromuha, a bayet 2028 campaign, they say a bayet Yoko Diamant for Beko. Now that sister MPs no Mukuhono, me say Yoko the move from Beko. When I Mamma have a ho. Me say Frank Adane, me say, Membo Bia Hano. Kennedy Agyapong fans and supporters, Mon Hamo, Namo Casa Bredo. I do my Samoy and Sodiamon grounds. And one Casamon farm on share a polling station elections noon. When your campaign, Mon free fear, one what Ato Forson, one multi influence, more influence, and no one know that is the case. Other than that, a man in a home, me say, Omopa, Omonka se nipa baako pe na ebeto abaro Kennedy Agyapong be wini. Omopa, Omonka se Bawumia kura no okọ on post yemfa ho wo de omo pe bia me si gya mo amonyo tum me Frank Adane na meka de mahunu de mate wonti bi unhunu bi me beka kire wo se OSP Yoko agrele Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia obi mu fi se meboa me ma mo nsankire ne se wo se OSP aso asem se clip na Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ko ene bese aba. I'm not just information manager. I am also a political prophet, and my source of information is accurate. The other thing branch and the kind or any brand said they should shut up. They should keep quiet because any people feel rough. Now, me and Madam Fubino Jojo Makoma, but I am still waiting. So I must say, I'm men enough. Mama quite the one for some at Kennedy Agyapong. Na mu wi a mo san so gi Kennedy Agyapong e di Kennedy Agyapong din ye niema pen niema ensio me ka kire enra me bra ba kokro de din bi frɛ o de din bi maame Kumase during the 2023 primaries abrantie bi a wo ho de me pese me bo ni din unim wo ho aya se omo wo sika omo de sponsor Kennedy Agyapong for their personal interest where omo a aya se omo ye businessmen and women omo sponsor Kennedy Agyapong no omo boa bebre na boa omo de omo fu nenam de omo pe na omo de ye and mesre we should fish all of them out. The baby am nkase ye na ye de Kennedy Agyapong chino we shouldn't be trusted, and indeed it's true. Meme Frank Adane me hope I don't believe in me. Yes, meme nka me kase meme ye kronkron do me nye bibia de and obi adi adanse Mr. Befajan ye bibia obi adi adanse. But me can't me who because me nipa, and in politics human behavior is illusion and unpredictable, and human behavior can be changed at any point in time. That is why Papa no ali din zedi kai oni ninuano na omodo Kennedy Agyapong almost sponsor Kennedy Agyapong both physical spiritual whatever na omo adwen timi sesaye na eneye ka wo ba bontia ba be challenge me Frank Adane na President Akufo Addo current nyan challenge ye. The whole government couldn't challenge us. Whoa, Z, come out and you see what will happen here. What baby, I say your information is before me. Wouldn't nipa no more the information na breme. But now I have kept quiet. Won't say my obeka na the video na breme. Mama de breme na masere. Mo amukwa jeje sika every adutum go nyina. I know all of you. Me mo ana mo frame. Catch them and say, I do you say, Memra. Sika me pay be opportunity, dear me pay be what the mamma. I'm waiting for a document too. Memiana me rejected ye. Miana me sansu video, Misuku video, maybe say a document say. On her suku as education minister, no fan to Nisuku na Webio, California. Is it fair? I do you nankasa and responded say ampa. Nanado government, focusing only on the SHS. But the basic school from kindergarten to JHS 3. Abana ni anko hunti afe na abano eni ba be ho. And I responded to them say, me nyina sa emofre ye omo bre in the basic school. Say me fight for them na ma ba ba gisika agumi botum na mofra no bre. Enti de ode be ma me no onfanye de se na fata emwa the basic students. Na me jesa Madisa and Yafone Mofra we are or Mobri, Madiwanawu, and the nature shall not forgive me. Yes, that is what I told Addo too. Now, Mr. Campaign, we me. Mr. Ken Agyapong fan and support our dada. We are working. We action oriented. Now, dear or say or ye be man no on family was. Now, me sense what beside MPP in Penny for say. Mwana must say my young campaign. The sister MPC, dear no more, yeah. And let's say so that one committee zungu. No one committee one of mine. And the end of the campaign, Biana, Ken Agyapong for Yebia, with that 268 MMDCEC, would obey whereas on the Babu and Tino Mugufu. Because 268, I cancel the 60. Now, this 268 plus the lost MPs and the 20. 80, for instance, we have 275, so 60 about 215. For Ken Agyapong, Messi campaign we, ye beg ah, me wafa minim se oba bia na se wa ma frɛ wa no payment say account ofa adane me wafa no ye DCU me kra minim o do ye DCU se o ye former DCU me wafa adane me frɛ no se wa ma bia ba no de minim se obeba se bia wa ma bi kra na minim se bia ida se wanya information no ana se e bia na wa ye busy ba no de ye ka wa manka ko no anim Rono obeba ofa minim so baby but me no bekasa this is one mabi dia obeka ho be 269 me say obiriyam rib avi kabelo what dey jai ebe ye de do bia kara kuma eturiyam me frankadane me say ehu ameka chiro say ehu asemi si yemu amunim. I've been quiet, I've not been coming out because I know the dangerosity of it. So what action should I take? And Yamiadom, many people be brakasa, so case closed. Me say, Yoko, OSP, Ajumanabo, MPP for sorry, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia fans for sorry, Sister MPC sorry, you're the doctor you're the doctor Aremeyaw Anas, 2024 and 2028 election. Me say MPP for, don't make a mistake. Mwa mwini masema make. So if you say Frank, they make me boa. What am family court? Beba be yibano. When you say the doctor betum, you say why ya more protected doctor, more patch of my doctor, but enkusiaga, ya nyintum, or mo nyintum. Moko John, why Mr. John? Activate your CCTV camera. No, ya de omode be campaign. When in videos where this is what back you go. Moko pache when you CCTV camera capture mo. Tell this is what that on we body no. No dem over doctor camera. Na mo dey for me. Now we releasing videos they say grim. And what they dey for campaign. Already have it. Me so dada. Why? Because malaria be na achime ndi amame kasa no dia ya na mo dia achime malaria achime me yare ewo bi asinyina no malaria me chiri tontom and tontom so na ya me master apart from tontom me zero bibia tontom ya me na we me pe na ma yare but all the sense there me hoye I'm very fit but just that my voice no na enche dam ha papa eti abusiafo I am here say me baba shewu nkurai. Now what you say, no matter what they are doing, it's nothing. It's nothing. Just forget it. We are working. They know definitely that we are working on the ground. And we know what we are doing. We are leading. Ken Agyapong is going to lead MPP and going to lead Ghana. Even the NDC prefer Ken Agyapong to succeed after John Dramani Mahama. That's why I always tell you, said, the 2028 election is not about MPP, not about NDC. It's about Ken Agyapong and Ghana first. And every Ghanaian is going to vote not based on political party, but based on the person that is Ken Agyapong. When you pick Ken Agyapong in Ghana here, assessing the way he thinks, the way he loves Ghanaians, the way he helps Ghanaians, nobody can match Ken Agyapong. Unless you hate Ken Agyapong. Other than that, you cannot do anything against Ken Agyapong. Eti abusiane the Kennedy Agyapong fans and supporters minim se bebre na akuma e2 bebre na ye me si jai wo de otipupu ana wa wo bi edi aboa bi ebewu a opre aboa bi obewu a opre eti munya ho na mo mpre na mo nyi omo ho mena na ye de say ya wie case close agire di na aka one day they say said you sunsanso no ba na OSP afre Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia mai aka one day we have na Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia da OSP to say cream hallelujah it will come to pass and na me ma me ba ku frame and na Frank da ben na so mama nya botre ye wo fufu na wo no ho nkwan adai asemi eyemra procedure by procedure dijai ya ne te se de kwanya aboa okra faso kire ne ma akura kwanya faso chi akura okra kwachi akura ma pani no ba na wabobbo na wayemre na wajana ma ne ma no na omo ne di agoro na ma me na kwa akwate enti se akura ne yare ho se odwane afiri krama ne se be na ma me na kwa akwate no wow na waza so de na ba na mo abobbo na akwa se obewu koju to na mo de na pamu no se bi na de ya doctor that yoko ni OSP ombe bobbo no pa na brim and one case proof say forget it obedem yes obedem cases ni bebre and bias ni ho owanu yi okokora na onim kasa mumbisa na po wodi ameme trofo ene na po wa wonim na po wodi na po ye free bia no bisa na po ai na po sa menyarani meti biawo na po sa menyarani meti biawo kabena to zoom and adia ba ko a Kennedy Agyapong fans and supporters monso so ebimo especially mo amokotena ase wo next meeting no monso so manya ade even if the majority decision minority na mo hono you should have criticized, stood up strongly and firmly. You should have boycotted this decision. So even if you are not understanding, you should have boycotted it. We know some of you people are more support to Kennedy Agyapong. Mo kwa mam tima mi mano. Mo ka mano tumu. Ma nyade. Mamo nya saade na me Frank Ada na nka be mete ho a. Nka this meeting, nka to never go to an end. Me. Nka ensi da. No matter what, so they should be in favor. I alone will be against, and it will never happen. Yes, it is a what's the Kennedy Agyapong fan and supporter in a critical moment, in a critical decision. Even if you are minority, stand up and defend Kennedy Agyapong for us to see say ampa. What do now? What nasi ko kawa no tumbi. Now you take a decision. No, but we are fair. Diana Obabeka. Huh? I know some of you are Muamukubia, Muamoya Kennedy Agyapong supporters, Modo Kennedy Agyapong, Namukwaya Montumam Yemano, Namotana Sidin, and my other decision we buy ya, Mamam Panifua, and no cancel Mocasa diatem, and nay, or Mudiatem with media no so. A TV Frank Adare, Mr. Revaja, dear. In fact, you're a hero. You was a via Casana, Yakasa Hashley. Now, Mount Fograbu, and the Emperor Budiatem. Hey, Agrana Sonne. Agrana yede, adie na yede, ye, adie na yede, ye. Missing 2028, 2026 primaries, no. Hey, campaign, no. Hey, adie no. Adie na dare. Me asusuna meti hai. Vidino is what we call the undefeated warrior. You cannot defeat me. You can't. Me say go and ask wherever I have been. They will tell you who I am. Me who me kete sa no. Hey, bra, upa dia sempa. Udi asempa dia me no ni problem. But say when dia sempa, we are why me do achieve to ho. Aya we Mr. President Akufo Addo. Oti Jubilee House was na ada na akura ketewa we otchere sa. We mi say slow. We mi say fremo pare. Na we mi say Cecilia dapa. Omoti ho sa me say na some so can be asked no clue, especially as I'm so watching if you mensa corona wokobo sister Barbara no meka na nado tiwa fifi mensa de as so watching di ka buka ntro kire no na omutie odi ro matiwa as asema frankly kan die eye no kore ho no masa so afre 50 mensa because na omo 50 mensa di tro ama Jubilee House wa instructed 50 mensa say omra bonten meka sa asem na me meka no nye no kore e ma oro so ba bonten e na me dia no evidence drop here kwa Jubilee House dabi asema frankly kan no kore wa no mo afre 50 mensa e wo Jubilee House okoye o say asema frankly kan ye no kore o say e no kore na zikaro obwadi na boye no kwa ne di ye bibi mensa Batama constituency na Batama for the minim se wani abie monto aba mo fifi mensa bi oni asanso Boakye and I Jubilee House ne kotua sika no mo so as I know I don't know but I'll do follow up and is it bank no me pese me bo wrong bank na fifi mensa odi sister Barbara sika no monfa bank statement you don't want to bring the bank statement this bank what the me friend sister Barbara abisa na bank no na mo yebenya mo me de beba bank me baba bo mudin won ti ase no kwa kusi me no fi say suru bi okrom ha mo so sokro no so mo amoye bank ase mo be protect mo client obi abo obi kro no wayi ni sika from the bank mo fa bank statement mra na yan fa asem no court na yan yi ni sika mana mo mo fa ma asem no kura court that you cannot protect you are just shielding corrupt people bank the me pese me bo bank bia de me nimba me wura fi me pese me bo bank bia de aye wrong na me ankasa me confirm bank no na me confirm wi in my next video ubetemenka.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.